Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn some of the most useful Microsoft Excel shortcuts that will help you work faster, save time and increase productivity. Let's get started. Shortcut number 1. Press Alt WFF to freeze pans. This helps you keep headers visible while scrolling. Shortcut number 2. Press Ctrl plus to quickly insert a new row or column. Shortcut number 3. Press Ctrl Shift semicolon to insert the current time instantly. Shortcut number 4. Press Ctrl arrow key to jump to the edge of your data range. Shortcut number 5. Press Ctrl Shift arrow key to select data quickly up to the last cell. Shortcut number 6. Press Alt plus equal to apply AutoSum automatically. Shortcut number 7. Press Ctrl Shift L to turn filter on or off. Shortcut number 8. Press Ctrl minus to delete selected rows, columns or cells. Shortcut number 9. Press Ctrl 9 to hide selected rows. Shortcut number 10. Press Ctrl 0 to hide selected columns. Shortcut number 11. Press Alt HOI to AutoFit column wide. Shortcut number 12. Press Alt HOA to AutoFit row height. Shortcut number 13. Press Alt HBA to apply all borders. Shortcut number 14. Press Alt HBN to remove borders. Shortcut number 15. Press Alt HAC to center align text. Shortcut number 16. Press Alt HAL to left align text. Shortcut number 17. Press Alt HAR to right align text. Shortcut number 18. Press Alt HMC to merge and center cells. Shortcut number 19. Press Alt HW to enable wrap text, allowing long text to appear on multiple lines within the same cell. Shortcut number 20. Press Ctrl Shift F to open the font dialog box where you can quickly change font style, size, color and other text formatting options. These Excel shortcuts will make your daily work much faster and more professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.